Imagine wandering through the vibrant streets of South Asia, enveloped in the aroma of spices and the chatter of vendors. Amidst this sensory overload lies a hidden treasure, a concoction revered by many, a mystery waiting to be unraveled. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the captivating history behind a beloved South Asian delicacy, lassi. But first, let me tease you with a little mystery. Picture this: you're parched under the scorching South Asian sun, and suddenly you stumble upon a humble stall offering a mysterious, creamy beverage. What is this elixir, you wonder? Is it a milkshake, a smoothie? Before you find out, subscribe and become a member of our growing community. Our journey begins centuries ago in the heart of ancient India, where dairy reigned supreme. Picture this: the vast expanse of the Punjab region, where farmers toiled under the relentless sun, tending to their herds of sacred cows. It was here, amidst the fertile plains of Punjab, that the story of Lassi began. Legend has it that weary farmers, seeking respite from the scorching heat, turned to their most precious commodity, yogurt. Imagine the scene: a group of farmers gathered under the shade of a banyan tree, sharing stories and laughter as they sought relief from the oppressive heat. In a stroke of brilliance, one farmer decided to mix yogurt with water, creating a cooling beverage that would soon become the stuff of legend. And thus Lassi was born, a humble concoction of yogurt, water, and spices, crafted out of necessity and ingenuity. Little did those ancient farmers know they were laying the foundation for a culinary tradition that would span centuries and continents. Now that we've unraveled the intriguing origins of lassi, let's dive deeper into what makes this concoction so irresistibly delicious. At its core, lassi is a harmonious blend of just a few simple yet essential ingredients. First and foremost, we have yogurt, the star of the show. Rich, creamy, and packed with probiotics, yogurt forms the foundation of lassi, lending it its distinctive tangy flavor and velvety texture. But wait, there's more! To transform plain yogurt into the tantalizing elixir that is lassi, we need to add a splash of water. This not only helps to thin out the yogurt and achieve the perfect consistency, but also makes lassi incredibly refreshing, especially on a hot summer's day. And now for the piece de resistance, the spices. Traditional lassi is often flavored with a medley of aromatic spices, each adding its own unique depth and complexity to the final concoction. From the warm, earthy notes of cardamom to the zesty kick of cumin, these spices elevate lassi from a simple yogurt drink to a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate with every sip. But let's not forget the endless possibilities for customization. Whether you prefer a classic sweet lassi infused with saffron and rose water, or a savory version spiked with mint and chaat masala, the world of lassi is yours to explore. Now that we've explored the tantalizing flavors of lassi, let's turn our attention to its impressive array of health benefits. Prepare to be amazed, my friends, for lassi is not just a delicious treat, it's also a nutritional powerhouse. First and foremost, lassi is packed with probiotics, those friendly bacteria that work wonders for your gut health. These probiotics help to maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in your digestive system, promoting better digestion and regularity. But that's not all. Lassi is also an excellent source of calcium and protein, two essential nutrients that are vital for strong bones and muscles. And here's a fun fact for you: because lassi is made from yogurt, it's naturally lower in lactose than other dairy products, making it easier to digest for those who are lactose intolerant. So whether you're looking to support your digestive health, boost your protein intake, or simply quench your thirst with a delicious and nutritious beverage, lassi has you covered. Now that we've explored the delicious flavors and health benefits of lassi, let's delve into its rich cultural significance. Prepare to be whisked away on a journey through the heart and soul of South Asian hospitality. In South Asian culture, lassi isn't just a beverage. It's a symbol of warmth, hospitality, and camaraderie. Whether served at weddings, festivals, or casual gatherings, lassi plays a central role in bringing people together in celebration and joy. Picture this: a bustling market square, alive with the vibrant colors and sounds of South Asia. Amidst the hustle and bustle, you'll find vendors selling refreshing glasses of lassi, beckoning passers-by to stop and indulge in a moment of shared pleasure. From the humblest roadside stall to the grandest banquet hall, lassi transcends social barriers, uniting people from all walks of life in a shared appreciation for its delicious taste and rejuvenating properties. And let's not forget the rituals and traditions that surround the serving of lassi. In many households, lassi is offered as a gesture of welcome and respect to guests, symbolizing the host's desire to nurture and nourish their visitors. It's a gesture that speaks volumes, conveying not only the flavors of Lassi, but also the warmth and generosity of the host's heart. As we reach the final leg of our journey through the tantalizing world of Lassi, it's time to address a burning question. Why hasn't this beloved South Asian beverage achieved global domination like its cousin, the smoothie? Well, my friends, the answer may lie in the realm of perception. While smoothies have become synonymous with health and wellness in many parts of the world, Lassi remains a bit of a hidden gem, waiting to be discovered by adventurous palates everywhere. But fear not, for the tide is turning. With the rise of interest in international cuisine and the growing popularity of yogurt-based drinks, Lassi is poised to make its mark on the global stage. And why shouldn't it? With its irresistible combination of creamy yogurt, refreshing water, and aromatic spices, Lassi offers a flavor experience unlike any other. From the streets of New Delhi to the cafes of New York City, Lassi has already begun to capture the hearts and taste buds of adventurous foodies around the world. And let's not overlook the endless possibilities for innovation and creativity. With a little imagination and a willingness to experiment, Lassi can be customized to suit any palate, whether you prefer it sweet, savory, or somewhere in between. So fear not, for the future of Lassi is bright. With its rich history, delightful flavors, and undeniable charm, Lassi is poised to conquer the world, one sip at a time. And there you have it, folks, the tantalizing tale of Lassi, a yogurt smoothie with a history as rich and flavorful as its taste. Until next time, stay curious, stay hungry, and keep exploring the delicious mysteries of food.